Hi there, guys. My name is William for William Nice here. Tough up, tough up Buffalo. In this same video today, we're going to hug up, hug up, hug up this same ps3 console to your four 4K 4K TV. Even though the TV has HDMI. Alright. Here's what you need. I'm going to need my PS3 controller. Controller. How got my game consoles? Yeah, and I need my games. And then we need is HDMI. I already got HDMI cable. I'm going to need my power cord. And then I need my USB to charge my the DualShock controller. Let's get position PS3 console hot up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the HDMI cable. Okay. After that, need to which number I put in 1. I'll put in number 1. So connect it. And you're gonna have Wi-Fi. So what you want to do is take your Ethernet cable. We're gonna plug it in into the router like this. So I'll click that. The one here, I hear it quick. Try again. Is it quit? There we go. Okay. We'll plug in the power cord on it. And we got my TV on. I'll plug into this cable in there. There we go. We'll plug this in, plug in, and plug it in into the multi plug. Alright, let's go ahead and plug it in. Turn that switch on. Okay, I don't see red light, and then play. Try again. There we go. Now we got, red light. Get into the input. Missed it. There we go. Let's turn it on. On. O-N. On. That's good. Fan. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Fans. Well. And we'll go to my name. To set up my Wi-Fi to my ps3 console to the Wi-Fi and go to network settings and press X. Then you need to scroll down to the internet settings and press X. Press down. Press right. Scroll down to wires. Hit. Skin. There is licensed. Licensed 2G. So now I'm gonna type in. So that'll be. Oops. There we go. Oops. Well, again. 1, 0, 2, 3, W, K, I, V. So now go ahead to hit start. Okay, press X to test it out. And there you go, guys. The internet is all complete right now. You are now connected to the Wi-Fi. It's watching.